Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have a review for you guys, like you guys saw from the title. So I got some hair and I just wanted to take the time to review the hair with you guys. I got the hair from Beauty, which is Queen Wave Beauty. So the website is gonna be right here. So I ordered some hair and I just bought a 3-bundle package. It comes really nicely in the box, honestly, and also when it comes in, it comes in the box like this. Also it comes with a product catalog. So if you're interested in buying new hair, different kind of hair, bundles, they even have frontals and also clip-ins if you're interested. It also comes with a $50 coupon if you refer a new customer. So if you're interested to refer someone, and also comes with instructions, which I thought was really considerate, because sometimes you don't really know, especially if you're a beginner, you don't really know. They tell you how to take care of the hair. Yeah, just little tips like this so you can take care of the hair so the hair lasts longer. When it comes to my shopping experience, honestly, it was really easy. I just went on the website, I created an account. I think all they needed was an email. It was just really easy to create an account and just order the hair. And the shipping was really fast, honestly. They say it takes about 5 to 7 days to come in for most places, and I think it came here in 4 days, because I'm pretty sure I ordered it on Monday and it came here Thursday. So I was really impressed. But just so you know, it's still 5 to 7 days, but a week is pretty fast. It's really nice. So if you order Monday, you're probably gonna get it either Friday or Monday the latest. So it's really nice. So when it comes to the hair, I did order a bundle. Like I said, I ordered a 22 inches, a 20 inches, and an 18 inches bundle. The hair texture is light Yaki hair. This is what it looks like. This is the hair basically that I got. This is all the hair sewn into my hair. I did do a traditional sew-in because I don't know, I'm fairly easy. I'm really new to this. This was my first time doing a sew-in. Usually you guys know I do a U-part wigs. I just wanted to do a sew-in to do something different. And yeah, I did a traditional one, a middle part. I have minimal leave out. I just have a bit of leave out here because my hair is fine, and since my edges are thinning a little bit, I didn't want to put too much tension, so I just let it air out and not braided that part into the sew-in. So the hair itself, when it comes in, it's a rich brown color. It's between a 1B color and a number 2. Honestly, under the sun it looks more like a number 2, it's a really nice rich brown. But I am a number 1. I am jet black since a few months ago, so I had to color the hair. But honestly, it wasn't a bother. It was really easy to color. Yeah, this is what it looks like when it's colored. That's my experience, honestly. It was a really nice color when it came in, but it just didn't match my hair color, so I just had to do what I have to do. So when it comes to the hair itself, so I've been wearing this sew-in for about a week right now. This is a really initial review. It's not I wore the hair for that long, but this is really an initial review. I am liking the hair so far. I'm really liking it. You guys can see the texture is fairly the hair has texture. I was a bit afraid of that texture because I do relax my hair. You guys know I do relax my hair. My hair is really soft. This is my hair here. But as you can see, it blends so beautifully. You can't tell me that this is not me growing out my hair and doing a blow dry. It blends so really well. You can even tell where my hair starts and where the extensions begin. The hair does not tangle. The hair doesn't shed. The hair doesn't mat. I'm really impressed so far. I'm used to beauty supply hair, I have to be honest. And let's just talk about when I do a color and when I wash the hair. Usually when I buy beauty supply hair, it takes me a while after to detangle. I have to take 15 minutes to half an hour, even sometimes a bit more, to detangle. This hair, I colored it and I washed it and it came out exactly as if it came out of the package, except darker. It was really weird. I was so impressed. I could just detangle it with my hands. I didn't need a brush. It just came out exactly. I let it air dry overnight. The next day it was dry, and yeah, no tangles, no nothing, and it didn't matte. It didn't become harsh or anything like that after. It was really just the way it came in the box, and I was really impressed. And I also love the thickness. For me, it's really exactly the thickness that I needed. Trim bottles is definitely a really nice natural look. I did double weft a bit, especially like in my crown area here, like in the middle part here, just so, because honestly if you put too much hair like at the bottom, that's when it starts to matte, and also at top like it'll just make it bulky. So really in the middle I did double weft a few tracks, and this is what it's looking like. It's just really nice. So this is what the hair looks like. I curled it this morning. Now it's about like 4 in the afternoon. The only thing that I used was my curler, this one here. This is a 1-inch curler, and yeah, it looks like my hair is just nicely blow dried, nicely curled. I really like it. Yeah, I just love how the curls came out. You know, sometimes I curl my hair like this, sometimes I curl it with a wand, so it's more like a wavy kind of look. Yeah, it's just nice. I do think it holds the curl really well. From what I experienced today, obviously it has dropped a little bit, but I didn't put anything in my hair. I didn't put hairspray or anything, so I'm pretty sure if you just put hairspray or something like that, it will just hold it better. Also, a little tip, if you do use like these things, I don't remember what it's called, and just do it overnight, it will hold the curl better from experience. So yeah, if you know how to take care of your hair, like I said, like they have instructions in the box when you order from them, so you for sure you'll be able to like keep the hair for many years. Honestly, I'm really happy so far. This is my intro review. Like I said, I'm really happy so far. I really like how the hair looks. Like I said, I did almost everything that I had to do with this hair. I colored hair, I washed it, I wore it straight, I wore it curly like this, and the hair is just really easy. Like when I was sewing it, like double wefting, the tracks are really easy to like move around. You can tell they're sturdy, but don't, like, that's how, I'm guessing that's why the hair doesn't shed. Honestly, I can go like this and it's just, there's like nothing coming out. So far, so good. It's really nice. Anyway, so this is my review for today. All the info you need will be down below in the description box. If you guys need their website, the hair that I got, they also have like some 3 bundle deals if you guys are interested, and all the contact info are down below, like their Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Anything you need will be down below. Yeah, that's it for today. Let me know what you think of the hair. Let me know if you want to see more of the hair, and yeah, I'll see you guys really soon. Okay guys, bye.